Have you ever watched a movie in English and thought, wait, I keep hearing this expression, but I have no idea what it means? If that's happened to you, don't worry. Today, we're fixing that. In this lesson, you'll learn 5 super common expressions that native speakers use every single day. They're simple, they sound natural, and once you know them, you'll start noticing them everywhere, in movies, songs, even social media. Welcome to our channel. Here, you'll learn real English for everyday life. Short lessons, simple explanations, and expressions that native speakers actually use. Twice a week, we bring you vocabulary, phrases, and tips that help you understand movies, songs, and real conversations, even if you're just starting out. If you want to speak naturally and confidently, hit subscribe and join us on this journey to make English part of your daily life. All right, let's jump in. You're about to learn 5 expressions that will make you sound way more natural in English. And I bet you've already heard them in movies or songs without even realizing it. Let's begin with one you probably know, but maybe you're not using in the right way. Thank you so much. We all say thank you, but when you add so much, it makes your gratitude stronger, like you really mean it. Imagine someone brings you coffee. Hey, I brought you some coffee. And you reply, oh, thank you so much. That's exactly what I needed. Or maybe a friend offers to help you move. I'll help you this weekend. And you say, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Christina.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's a small change, but it makes your thank you feel warmer and more sincere. Now, what about when someone asks how you are or offers you something? Textbooks might teach you to say, I'm fine, but natives almost always say, I'm good. It sounds casual and friendly. You can use it in 2 ways. First, when someone asks, how are you? You can say, I'm good. How about you? And second, when you politely refuse something, like, do you want more water? You can say, no, I'm good, thanks. Just switching to I'm good already makes your English feel much more natural.
I'm good. I'm good.
Laurie, how you doing? I haven't talked to you in forever.
I'm good. I'm good.
I'm good. I'm good.
You okay? You all right?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Yep, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, let's talk about a way to say goodbye that feels warmer than just bye. When you say take care, you're wishing the other person well, kind of like saying stay safe. For example, I have to go now. Okay, take care. See you tomorrow. Or thanks for visiting. Of course, take care on your way home. It's friendly, personal, and adds a nice touch to your goodbyes.
Take care.
Take care.
Take care.
Take care.
Take care.
Next, what do you say when someone apologizes or thanks you? One of the most common replies you'll hear is no worries. It's basically like saying no problem or you're welcome. For example, sorry I'm late. No worries, we haven't started yet. Or thanks for helping me. No worries, anytime. It instantly makes you sound easygoing and relaxed, and you'll hear it everywhere in casual conversations.
No worries.
No worries.
No worries.
No worries. No worries.
And finally, let's finish with another way to say goodbye. But this one's more casual and open-ended. See you around is like saying, we'll probably see each other again, even if you don't know when. For example, all right, I'm leaving now. Cool, see you around. Or, it was nice talking to you. Yeah, same here. See you around. It's friendly and perfect for everyday conversations.
See you around.
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 Quick review. Thank you so much. I'm good. Take care. No worries. And see you around. 5 simple expressions, but they instantly make your English sound more natural, and you can start using them right now. If you liked this lesson, comment your favorite expression and try using it in a sentence. And don't forget to subscribe. New lessons every week to make English part of your everyday life.